Let's create a new local branch so that we can then go and add some new functionality into our program. So I'm going to add a new branch here using git branch, adding functions as the name of the branch. Followed by that, we need to then switch to that branch so that any changes we make will then be applied on that particular branch. So we do git checkout and then the name of our particular branch. Okay, that seems to have worked. So now let's go back to Atom, where we will then edit our file. We'll create a function. We'll call it addNums because we want it to be able to add two numbers together, and it will take two parameters, which is a number 1 or number A and a number B. So here we actually create a variable which is then going to store the result. We can name this variable whatever we want. I've just called it result. And here we're going to be adding number A using the plus for addition, number B, and then we'll return that value of result from that function. Now we want to be able to write this out onto our console, so we'll do another console.log and we'll call the function addNums, and it will take two parameters and we'll give it the numbers of 10 and 5. So if we now come back into our terminal and we run node index.js, then we should get our result of hello world with the value of 15 from those adding the two numbers. Now that we've made a change to our file, we want to be able to add that into our staging area ready to be committed. So first we use git add index.js. Following that, we do the git commit to actually move it to the head of the current branch. So -m saying we're going to leave a message. So we put in a short message in there to say what this commit was for. And we see that's now done. We've got one file was changed. Just a quick directory. Yep, nothing's changed in there. And we'll do a quick git status just to check that we're all clear and there's nothing else left to do. Now that we've completed our updates for that branch, we'd like to merge it back in with the master local branch. So first we have to check out back into our master branch using git checkout master. Followed, now we want to git merge, and we're going to use the name of the branch that we'd like to merge back in with our master. And we've now merged that index file back in with our master. Just do a quick git status just to check that there is nothing that's been left in the staging area. Our next stage is to then move our content from our local repository into our remote repository on GitHub. So here we use git push origin. Origin was the alias created when we made the original clone up into the master branch. So for security reasons, it will then ask us for our username and password. So I'm just entering in my account username and password. And once that's done, we'll then see the message there of files that have been moved up. Let's go back into GitHub and just check now. We've still got our two files there. Let's have a look to see if our index.js has changed. And there it is now with the extra function to add the two numbers in it.